to make sure that peace is secured round the clock. In addition, we strongly urge all political actors during this electoral season to abide by the Independent Electoral Commission guidelines and to cooperate fully with the security forces for the safety of all. We appeal to citizens to cast their votes peacefully and go home, not to hang around the polling stations. The vote counting and tallying process will be transparent and is done in the open. Each individual candidate's agents will be present, and these include presidential, the directly elected MPs, and women MPs. That is on the 15th of January, 1 month from now, 1 month from today. Local and international election observers will also be present, and so will the media. So there is no need for people to hang around saying they are protecting votes. The process is transparent, and all these measures are in place to make sure that that transparency is clear for all to see. Therefore, there will be enough scrutiny to ensure that the election process is transparent, free and fair, and above all, credible. Those who try to cause trouble, as I've heard some people proclaim, will be dealt with swiftly and with all the tools at our disposal and in accordance with the law. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important to safeguard the peace we have and never take it for granted. This is because sustainable peace and security is the foundation for the rapid development we are witnessing. It demands our services beyond the borders in the spirit of Pan-African solidarity. The UPDF is a reliable force for peace. Our troops continue to serve with distinction in Somalia, South Sudan, the Central African Republic, and the DRC. They are exporting stability and building a safer region, and we are proud of all of them. This professional force is a product of visionary leadership. We therefore have to thank His Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for his strategic guidance to us at all times. We also thank all the commanders in your various capacities for executing your duties and ensuring that our people enjoy the peace without which they wouldn't be able to perform their daily tasks. To our promoted officers, you carry forward a proud legacy. Carry your new ranks with humility, lead with courage, and serve with even greater dedication. The nation and the UPDF are counting on you. I wish all of you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May the holiday blessings stay with you throughout the new year, 2026. Congratulations once again to the newly promoted, and thank you all for your attention. Mungu pamoja nasi. Asante sana. Ladies and gentlemen, behind every soldier here stands a resilient family. We see and acknowledge the sacrifices of your spouses, your children, and your loved ones. Our family's support makes our work possible. The leadership is committed to the UPDF families. We are working to ensure every resource allocated delivers real value to your lives, supporting your households and well-being. We continue to improve the working conditions of our soldiers through improvements in housing, education of our children, and health services. As you may be aware, our National Referral Hospital is already operational, although only the outpatient department for now. And our modern defense headquarters is on course for completion. As you can see, we are going to have a very beautiful defense headquarters. Enough of this this embarrassment here. This cannot be the headquarters of UPDF. So we are moving to those beautiful buildings you see coming up in the new year. In 2026, we shall be there. All these initiatives and many others are aimed at ensuring a well-equipped, healthy, and efficient military that is capable of delivering its mandate to the nation. That our primary duty is non-negotiable. That is to defend Uganda's peace and sovereignty. As you are aware, we're in the middle of an elections period, and our duty is clear. All security forces must remain alert. We must ensure a peaceful and secure environment for these elections. We have a mission we must achieve on behalf of the people of Uganda. It is a mission to sustain the peace prevailing in our country, and this mission also involves our operations beyond the borders of this country. The missions to defeat the enemies of Uganda, such as those in eastern DRC, like the ADF, in Somalia, like Al-Shabaab, and all other negative groups within the region. Internally, we must also maintain vigilance and guard against reactionary groups